Today I'm going to be showing you how I put in my extra long curly hair ponytail extension. This is super easy and the ponytail is literally only about £18 I believe off of Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description, but this is what she looks like. And the hair itself is really nice. I really like the curl pattern on this. I have worn it quite a few times, so as you can see some of the pieces are a little bit frizzy, but they're super defined, so long. And the best thing about it is it comes with two clips on either side and a drawstring. If you're getting a ponytail extension, you really want it to have a drawstring because this is going to keep it in your hair so well. But I'm just clipping up my fringe pieces that are going to stay out of the ponytail, and then I'm taking my Eco Styler gel. This is the coconut one. I love this. As you can see, it is nearly all gone, but I'm just clipping up my fringe pieces like I said, and then taking the rest of my hair into a really loose ponytail. So I'm not putting it in a ponytail, I'm just holding it with my hand, and I'm putting the gel in the side of my hair, just really loosely putting it on, and I'm taking my Tangle Teezer brush and I'm just brushing this down. As you can see, I haven't sped this clip up. It literally is so quick. Just whack a little bit of gel on, take the brush and smooth that down, and then I take my hand afterwards just to make sure that it is really smooth. But look how flat that is to my head. Like, it is so quick. Moving on to the other side, I'm doing the exact same thing, and just wanted to mention that I am not tying my hair into a ponytail. I'm just holding it, and the reason for this is that because we're brushing the hair upwards into the ponytail, like where the ponytail would be, it's going to move the hair, so you don't want to actually put a bobble in yet. You just want to gently hold it with your hand if you can. It does give you a little bit of arm ache, but it's fine because it doesn't take that long anyway. And also I just wanted to say that I love this gel. Like, it keeps the hair in place really well, but it really doesn't make your hair that crusty. It's super easy to wash out, and it's super easy to even like to just brush out. I'm then just doing the back of my hair, and obviously I can't really see this section, but I'm just kind of feeling for it and taking the brush over the section as well. Also, if you can tell by this voice note, I'm currently ill, so I do apologise that I sound really weird, but I tried to leave it as long as I could for uploading this video and I still sound like a man, so apologies for that. And then just popping in a bobble, and you do really want to make this really tight as you possibly can bear, without it giving you a headache. And I'm also putting this right at the top of my head. I feel like it's completely up to you where you want the ponytail to be, but with a really super long ponytail extension, I think it looks best when you put it at the top of your head. I don't know, that's just my preference anyway. And then I'm taking the rest of my hair and I'm really twisting this again really tightly round into the smallest bun I possibly can do. And luckily for me, I do have quite thin hair anyway, and I'm just securing this again with a bobble, but this is what's going to push the ponytail out a little bit, so you want this to be as flat to your head as it can be. Once you're looking like a little ballerina and you look like you've got no hair like I do, it's then time to put in the ponytail, and I'm taking the clips at either side of the bun with the drawstring to the nape of my head. So the back of my head, is that what it's called? The nape of your head? I don't really know, but the drawstring is at the back, and I'm just pulling this super tight to secure this in, and then taking the drawstring, closing it, and pulling the string round the ponytail, so round the front towards the back of my hair again, and I'm just going to clip this in. Obviously the clip is like visible if you lifted the ponytail up, but I never really do. I just literally take the ponytail and place it over it so you don't see this part anyway, and that is it. That is how simple it is to apply this ponytail. Honestly, I discovered this a few years ago. This is my third ponytail of these. It might even be my fourth, and I wear it so much. I can probably get about 10 uses out of each one before it gets like too frizzy to wear. And then I'm just taking down the fringe pieces, and that is it. I'm absolutely obsessed with this ponytail. This is how it looks from the side. Obviously you can tell it's fake, but that's not the goal. Like, it's not the goal for it to look like my hair. I just wear this whenever I need to go out. I need to go out like to a nice meal, but my hair needs washing. Honestly, I love this so much. It is so easy. But thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'm gonna have a little break over Christmas, so have a lovely Christmas everyone, and a happy new year, and I'll see you in 2025. Bye.